In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account numbers in QuickBooks Online. Account numbers help you organize your chart of accounts, keep things consistent, and make reports easier to read and sort. Before you can assign numbers, you need to turn the feature on. Once you're signed in to QuickBooks Online, look to the top right and click the gear icon, which is your settings. Choose Account and Settings, then go to the Advanced tab. In the Chart of Accounts section, click the Edit pencil. Turn on Enable Account Numbers. If you want the numbers to appear on reports and on transaction forms, also check the box for Show Account Numbers. This makes it much easier to verify coding as you work. When you're done, click Save, and then click Done to exit the settings. With the feature enabled, you're ready to add the actual numbers to your accounts. Click the gear icon again. Under the Your Company column, select Chart of Accounts. At the top of the list, just above the Action column, click the Batch Edit pencil. This lets you update multiple accounts at once, which is faster and helps keep your numbering consistent. In the Number column, enter a unique number for each account. Use a numbering pattern that makes sense for your business, so similar accounts group together naturally. For example, many companies reserve a block for assets, another for liabilities, and so on, and then leave gaps between numbers to make room for future accounts. Consistency is the goal here, so pick a structure and stick to it. When you've filled in the numbers you need, click Save in the upper right corner. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see numbers on your reports or when entering transactions, return to Account and Settings and make sure Show Account Numbers is checked. If your list is large, tackle it in sections and save frequently to avoid losing changes. Also, think ahead and leave spacing in your sequence so you don't have to renumber later. After saving, open a report like the profit and loss or balance sheet to confirm the numbers display in the order you expect. If anything looks out of place, reopen the chart of accounts and adjust the number field accordingly. That's it. You've enabled account numbers and added them to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. With this setup, your bookkeeping will be cleaner, faster to navigate, and easier to analyze. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part as you follow along.